How's everybody doing out there? It's your boy Chex, and we are back with another one. So this week is what we did. We went and we hit Walmart, Target, The Cave, Hot Topic, Box Lunch. Just a couple different places that we have out here. If you guys don't know about The Cave, you gotta check it out. I didn't record anything throughout the week just because I was been busy, and when we do stop, I just stopped real quick just to see what they got, grab something, and see what we added to the collection. So let me show you guys what we got. Let's get into the first one. All right, so the first one that we're gonna get into was a Facebook find that we had found. Some guy was selling this Back to the Future lot that I wanted only one of the Funkos that he had, but he wasn't trying to sell them all. So that's fine, no problem. So let me show you the first one. The first one is Doc with helmet. All right, so you can see him give you a full 360. This is him holding, he has the helmet and he's holding some papers. I don't know what is on there. It looks like he has something. It says flare, compasses. I can't really read it, but yeah. This is him, Doc with helmet. I already have this one in my collection, so I really didn't need it, but he gave me a good deal. I'll tell you guys how much at the end. Then he gave me Doc 2015. I already have this one too. Box number 960. This one's actually pretty cool because you can see how he has a clear tie. Wearing them SIG glasses. So yeah. So now, the last one, what I really needed for my collection that I didn't have. Biff, baby. I needed him. I did not have it. Now I got the whole lineup. As you can see all the numbers in the back. Got all of them. This is the only one that I didn't have. I was trying to find him. But yeah, he gave me every one of these for $5 each. That's a steal. Think about it, $5 each. I mean, they originally go for like $8.99 at the store if I went to go buy them, but he gave me 5 each, and I really just wanted Biff. So the other two, 10 bucks. Come on, easy win. I trade them, sell them, whatever, either or. But I got them, so I got added to my collection. So now let's get on to the Target finds that we have found. All right, first up is Doug with Puppies. As you guys can see, it is a Target exclusive. This is a deluxe. This is one of their 6-inch pops. I actually like this one, as you can see. They have a couple different ones. They got like Doug with Squirrel, Doug with Metal, Doug with Toys, Russell, Carl, so on and so on. But yeah, this one was actually pretty dope. I seen it sitting there. And this one's actually going for around $35 to $38 already. Pretty crazy. It was only $17. So if you see it, if you see any of the deluxes, I don't know. The deluxe just sell easier for me. So if you see any deluxes, just get them. Grab them. You never know. I got 2 of them, one added to my collection, one to sell or to trade. All right, and then for the second Target find that we had found was another Target exclusive deluxe. As you can see, Madam Webb. We really went in there and I wanted to try to find the Spider-Man, Hobgoblin, or at least Dr. Octopus, even Black Cat. Couldn't find it, but I did find this 6-inch one. So I don't know if all the other ones are 6-inch too, or they were just the regular size box, but this was one of the deluxes. So I made sure I had to get it. And this one was already going at almost $40 too. So that right there is an automatic win. So you know how to get 2 of these ones. Let's go. Do not pass these up. These deluxes they're good money, you know. All right. And for the third one, we had found a 2-pack Wally and Eve. This is the Target exclusive, obviously, but this is from the movie Wally. Give you a full 360. They did have a Wally Jumbo in this, but I didn't want to get him. But I don't know. We'll see. I was thinking about grabbing it just because I added it to my collection. Because my son, he's been collecting them too. And probably gave it for his collection, but I don't know. We'll see. My son's all over the board with his. He got every different one. But yeah, we actually would do a video to show you how his is too. He actually liked collecting them. All right, now let's get into our Walmart finds. First up was the big boy, Michael Jordan. This one was a Walmart exclusive. This is him in his USA basketball outfit. He got them fresh 7s on. 7 or 6s, I don't know. And this one was the Hardwood Classics. This was the big boy. This one was actually $25 or around $26, $27, and it's already going for $75, $80. All there was this little rip, as you could tell from when they're unboxing, you know, stocking the shelves on the stores. They actually sliced it. Nothing too serious. That's fine. I seen some damaged ones on Whatnot going for $65, $70, and they've been selling. So come on. I don't really plan on selling this big boy. I wanted to keep this one added to my collection because I'll have a couple good Jordans already. Who knows? Probably get him to sign it. I don't know. Maybe. That'd be cool. I'm really not going to carry this big boy around though to try to get him to sign it. Now let's get into the second one. The second Walmart find was this Pop Rides Mickey Mouse Walt Disney World. This one is actually pretty cool. This was his, if you ever been to Disneyland, I don't know if you guys have, but he has a Space Mountain. This was at his Space Mountain attraction, so that's kind of like one of the little rides he's on. Why I got one of these, why I got this one though, was because look at the box, bro. The box is just amazing, bro. Like, it's like, I don't know, when they do boxes like this, I mean, it's limited edition, don't you think? Come on, look, especially it's Walt Disney World 50th anniversary. Come on, let's go. You can't pass it up. And it's not even in the system yet. I scanned whatnot, not there. I didn't see it on eBay, nowhere. But I mean, eventually it's gonna be popping up soon. But they only had, I literally, as I was walking in Walmart, I go straight back there and they put 2 out there. I grabbed one and another person had grabbed one. So that's pretty cool. So I was lucky to get him. Let's go. I love all Mickey Mouse Pops. Just because they hold their value too. And I'm planning on selling him. Keep him for a while. All right, and for the last find that I had found was LeBron James. LeBron James. So this one was him jumping though. This is him jumping in the sky as he's like about to take a dunk. And I have the other one where he is dribbling the ball. So it's pretty cool to have both of these into my collection. I didn't want to sell it. I'm going to have to keep it with the other one so that way I can keep both versions. So yeah, yes. I still think the first Space Jam was better. All right, you guys, and that was everything that we had found throughout the week. This week, we're going to go and we're going to do a couple more. I had a couple more stores I wanted to stop at. When we stopped at Hot Topic, they didn't really have nothing in there. Box Lunch didn't really have anything. Walgreens was sold out again. But yeah, just stay tuned. We got a couple more Facebook finds that we had to go link up with a couple of people this week. And then we have some coming in from eBay I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned until the next one. We got a lot more coming that I got to go meet up with people. They have some pretty good gems. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. And yeah, the website's coming. I have the website right now. This is where I sell all my Pokemon and some Funko. I'm still updating it, but if you guys do want it, I'll put the description in the title. Y'all can go check me out. And I do have a exotic snack page too, where I sell exotic snacks, drinks, and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Until the next one, God bless.